today. And this actually has the Bat engine, the Batmobile, 3 figures, Gotham Bank, like a little bat boat, that's the bat boat, and Penguin's Roadrunner box, which is a funny name, Roadrunner box. And so, let's start with the minifigures. Here is Batman, but he's the same guy he looks the same that was in all the sets I've showed you so far. Well, not the Batman ATE Flyer one, was a little weird guy. Here's the Penguin, who I never showed you before, and it's a little hat, top hat, and his umbrella is pretty nice. All I have to do to put together like that. His purple legs are how it was in Lego Batman, the video game. And here is Catwoman. And finally, I found her actual helmet that was in Lego Batman. But like, I don't think Catwoman's motorbike was the same from in Lego Batman the video game. I think it's different from Batman 2. This is Lego Batman 2, so I don't really have to show you her motorbike because I don't have her actual one. And here's the Batmobile. And I like those spikes a lot. The flames in the back. Some fire missiles so it can just go boom. I like that. But this doesn't really have any features on this. So I don't like that. Oh, God. Never mind. I'll fix that later. And here is your bank, Gotham Bank. I like the lights there, kind of golden popcornies. And here's a feature you can do. Opens the door for the villains. And here's the money box you get. $300, which isn't there. And so let's get moving to this thing, which is the Bat engine. And I like the design on this. Like, look at this thing. Has 2 wings, bat wings, some lights in the front, 2 guns, like 4 fire missiles. I really, really like how this design is. It is so, so cool. And the bottom is just a whole bunch of holes. Those little dots there. But look at this thing. It's cool. So this is how they were just standing. And here's the Bat boat. And I like the design of this thing, not just because it has 3 fire missiles. It's because, like, look at this. It's all, here's the back. Here's your back of this. And it has 2 red pieces on this. 3 red pieces on that. And that's it for this. And this is the Penguin's Roadrunner box. But like, this is the Roadrunner box. Wait. See this right here? It has a Roadrunner chicken wing, a Roadrunner bomb, and a Roadrunner egg. So it has Roadrunner stuff, just in case the Penguin wants to turn into the Roadrunner. So That's what's in the box. So like, why does he call the vehicle his box? So, hope you enjoyed this video, and bye. Peace out.